I think I found what are probably the coolest mushrooms I've ever seen. Here's one of them. They're lining this path, so look at this little beauty. Well, I say little, it's huge. This is a Magpie Inkcap, and they're all the way along the path, as you can see. Here's another one. Here's one just coming up. Look at those. What a beauty! And there you are, some. Oh, there's another one. Another one. So they turn into this sort of sombrero shape as they mature, and then that does this weird wrinkly thing.